Twi Lesson 7, Level 7. How do you say legal in Twi? Meransem or emeransem? Legally, emera kwanso. Legally, emera kwanso. You are welcome to Safubafus TV. It is legal, eye mera kwanso. It is legal, eye mera kwanso. It is not legal, enye mera kwanso. It is not legal, enye mera kwanso. Where I live, it is legal. Where I live, it is legal. Baby a mete no, eye mera kwanso. How do you say animal? Aboa. Animal, aboa. Cat, okra. Cat, okra. Tail, kachire. Tail, kachire. Tell me, kachire me. Kachire me. Tell you, kachire wo. Tell you, kachire wo. Tell him or her, kachire no. Tell him or her, kachire no. I want to tell him, but I can't. Me pese me kachire no, nanso mean to me. Here, eha or ha. Here, eha or ha. Can you come here? I want to tell you something. Ube to me abaha. Me pese me ma wo biribi. Me pese me ma wo biribi. I can't come there. Me into me imma. I can't come there. Me into me imma. There. Twi version is eho or ho. Here, ha or eha. There, eho or ho. Worry, ehaw or ohaw. Worry, ehaw or ohaw. I am worried. I have to speak with you. Ehaw me. Ehaw me. Me pese me ne wo kasa. Ehaw me. Me pese me ne wo kasa. I want to be here. Me pese me wo ha. I want to be here. Me pese me wo ha. Can you tell me ube to me aka achire me? Can you tell me ube to me aka achire me? You wo. You wo. Eat di. Eat di. Speak kasa. Speak kasa. Go out ko abontin. Go out ko abontin. Make ye. Make ye. Invitation. Insatofre. Invitation. Insatofre. Do you want ope? Do you want ope? He want ope. He want ope. He speaks okasa. He speaks okasa. She lives in Ghana, ote Ghana. She lives in Ghana, ote Ghana. Somewhere, baby. Somewhere, baby. Come here, braha. Come here, braha.